Hi, it's Mark at Urban Automotive in Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Just wanted to show you what play in a tie rod would look like. This is an outer tie rod on this Ford. See your wheel? Should not do that at all. Let's take this off and I'm going to show you what's back there making that noise. Here is the old outer tie rod. The new one that we're going to replace looks just like that, so you got a good picture of what it looks like. This is critical as it's the last piece that connects to your steering knuckle that allows you to steer. Now see when I move that? That should have no play whatsoever. Can you get right in there? That should not move at all. When it moves like that, there's a chance that it's going to break, and if it breaks, then this wheel will just do one of these and go wherever it wants to go. So get your tie rods checked, get your ball joints checked, make sure your car is safe. Urban Automotive, safety first.